G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Today we've got a little Welly 164 scale. It's a Peugeot Coupe 407. We're actually, it's nice. It's actually quite a nice little model. It's actually straight out of the packet. Haven't drilled the base or anything. Just be able to see it there. There it is, Coupe 407. But it's got nice decals. Nice headlight tampos, nice moulding. It's got really nice interiors in these little cars, believe it or not, for a cheapie. Nice mouldings around the mirrors, all that sort of stuff. The rims are nice enough, chrome rims, but not good enough for me. I'm not really fussy. Nice badges and all the emblems on there, like a completely factory car. So you normally get it from the factory stock, and you're sort of like, we always want to personalise it ourselves and put our own wheels on it. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to chop these ones off. So away we go. In with my little cutters there, just pull it down as far as I can so I don't damage the wheels, and I can repurpose the wheels and the axle later on. I'll just zoom back there now so we can actually see what is actually going on there. And then we just, bam, take him off. I just don't want him to drop on the floor, because if I come in here one time with nothing on my feet, I'll know all about it, because that little pin that just fell out there beside the wheel will be in my shoe or foot. You can guarantee that. So I hope you're all finding something to do and looking after yourselves and staying safe. I've got a few things I'm poking around and doing. I'm just waiting for my oven to turn up so I can get the other ones that I've got projects halfway through so I can get the painting done. Alright. Same old story, same old 1.2 drill bit. Through we go. Just get it there so I can get lined up and see the light. And there we go. And back in. Can clean the drill bit and make things right. Again there, checking one way that way there. There we go. Make sure she's all good and right. There we go. No wheels. Off goes the wheels. Let's have a look. Right, let's grab an axle. Let's grab an axle and just check the base, see what we're going to do with the wheels. I haven't pre-checked all of this there, we just do it as we go along. Shows you how easy it is to fit these wheel sets. Alright, so to me it's got to be screwed. You can see the axle's decent right length without any trimming or whatever else there. Screw it right in for the front. We'll check the back just to make sure that they are the same. And the same on the back end. Alright, let's get putting the wheels kits together and get it on there. Get another one done near the road. Bit of fun with no paint work or nothing else there. Like I was saying there, the details on them are pretty cool. Already with those models there, which is a good thing. Good bit of fun with not having to worry about paint, especially in times where you can't paint because the weather's no good. And I don't have my oven. Alright, fixed him up there. That's him, yep. Alright, got that one there. Get the next one in. Get him in and done. And make this little stock Peugeot look pretty cool. Give it that nice proper European racy sort of look. Just got to watch when you put these in the drill that you just make sure those axles are definitely lined up straight, because you don't want them wobbling everywhere. Alright, get him into there. Just steady as it goes, bit of pressure and just pushing in. Threads disappeared. Yeah, I'll get him right in a second. There we go. Alright. Pretty good. Have to be happy with that. Oh, just use the drill there to make sure that it is right. So get him right there. Alright, get him on there. Get him into the car. Car should be pretty good now. Like I was saying there, I always do it from the right hand side. I'm going to find out where the hole is first. There we go. I was just going to make this look magic. Absolutely magic. Totally different car altogether now. Just going out here. Sorry folks, I'm just going there so I can see it in the light. It's not a very good light when the weather's like this. It's really bad weather. Alright, there we go. Spins like a rocket. Makes a totally different looking car. Wow. Just nice. It's really got nice details on the front and the back and all of that sort of stuff and everything. So that's a good thing. Saves you a bit of work and a bit of time. Could probably do a trimming this axle down a bit, but we won't worry about it just at the moment because we'll work out what else we're going to do with it a bit later on down the track. Absolutely pearler now. Look at the difference now, that Peugeot 407 Coupe. I was saying that the details in the front and the badges and all that there are pretty good for one of those cheap cars. And it looks way better. Makes it look really trick now. So just have a look at that there. That's just a quick wheel swap around. Looks pretty awesome there. Alright guys. Alright. Hope you're doing okay. Take care. Look after yourselves. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll catch you again with another one. And we'll be seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching.